Come aboard, the night is calling. Lanterns shake on the snow. Through the gates of Arendelle, we're following the glow. Laughter drifts through frosted air. A little snowman leads us there. Sven is waiting, bells are chiming. Every frozen heart is timing. Past the stream and over stone, we're sailing into something known. The winter sky begins to gleam. We slipped inside a dream. Hold on tight, the cold wind blows. Only one way left to go. Take my hand, don't look below. If we fall, we fall in the glow. Into the northern glow. Let the whole world shine. Into the northern glow. We are safe tonight. Higher than the mountain line. Bright as morning star. Into the northern glow. Take me where we go. Anna's laughing, warm and bright. Kristoff's grinning into the night. Olaf's dances in the mood. Winter never left too soon. Elsa lifts her silver hands, turning fear to open land. Every sparkle, every beam makes the dark feel like a dream. Hold on tight, the cold wind blows. Only one way left to go. Hear the tide, it starts to roll. We are stepping in.
べ。やっぱり家族っていいもんだよな。
みんなと一緒にいるだけでギューって抱きしめられてるみたいだよ。
If you enjoyed this, please remember to give the video a like. If you want to see more POVs from theme parks around the world, subscribe and click that notification bell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for clicking and thanks for watching.